Okay, there's a little bit of deer sign. That's where the deer were standing, and they've done their business right there. Cool. There's a couple of deer. They haven't seen me yet. I have now. Spiker. There's 4 of them. Well, that was good to see. There's definitely plenty of deer out here. Okay guys, you saw a little while ago I did a video on skinning and butchering a deer. Well now, I brought a bit of that animal with me today. I've got a few deer steaks I'm going to cook up over the fire, have that for a spot for my lunch. Anyway, we'll have a go at doing that and see how we get on, and yeah, and let us know what you think about it. Cool. So we'll put the frying pan on, get that heated up, and we'll put a bit of butter in it as well, just to get it ready for the cooking. We've got a bit of butter here, we'll put some of that in the frying pan. Get that heated up, put a bit more in, and we'll bring some of these mushrooms. Yeah, put them in there also. Get them cooked up. So we'll let them cook up, and yeah, and then we'll put our steaks on. Coffee. still needs sweetening up, guys, so add a bit of sugar to that too. A little bit hot. Okay, I'm going to try a little bit of garlic, 1 clove of garlic, and put that on the steaks just to try that out. See what that's like. So, yeah, it's been crushed. 1 clove of garlic. And we'll put that on the steaks and see what that's like. And while we're at it, I think I've got somewhere, I've got an onion as well. But these mushrooms are looking like they're getting pretty cooked, so I might take them off for now and maybe put something else on there. No, they're looking pretty good, guys. Look at that. Ooh, they're looking good. I'll put them down there for now. I'll dice this mushroom up. Take that outer skin off, we don't need that. Peel that back. And we'll dice some of this up just to cook. Dice some of this up. Just to add with our mushrooms. Okay, what I might do, our mushrooms are looking pretty cooked, so what I might do is I'll put them in this billy. Oh, put them in the billy, and oh. Okay, the mushrooms are pretty cooked, so we'll put them in the billy. And we'll just put them on the edge of the fire just to keep them warm. Just up there, we'll put the lid on it just to keep them warm. And while we're doing the onions, put a bit more butter in there, some of the mushrooms, put the onion in, and we'll put that on the fire to get that all cooked up. So there, In the meantime, the mushrooms are staying warm. The onion has got some garlic on it, so I don't know whether that's going to actually do much, but we'll give it a go. And we'll just wait for those onions to cook up a bit. And I don't think we're going to need the rest of this garlic, so we'll put that away in our bag. So we've got a bit more wood on there, guys. We'll put these onions back on just to let them slowly heat up. The mushrooms are in the billy, keeping warm, so that's good. I've got some pre-cooked potatoes here. I'll put them in there with the onions and get them cook up. And I might put a tad more butter in there just to give them something to cook with. I've got a couple of tomatoes here. I'll just quarter them. We can cook them shortly in the frying pan. That cooking away nicely. It's looking good. Let's take that off for now. Oh, I'll just chuck another dab of butter in there. Put a steak. So it's got a bit of garlic on it. I don't know whether it'll help with the flavour or not, but but as you guys saw earlier on, you saw that young deer that we butchered and skinned. This is part of it, and so yeah, we'll see how that goes. It's looking good. Actually, I'd say that's pretty well cooked for the way I like it. So, okay guys, I think that steak we've put on there is pretty much cooked. It's a bit of the venison steak that we had the other day, or you saw me the other day skinning and butchering. So it's looking not too bad actually, really good. And we've got our mushrooms here, which we've kept warm and beside the fire. So we'll just tip them out on there as well. Just for a bit of colour, we'll add a few tomatoes there. Okay, we've got a knife, fork and spoon which I had in my bag. Luckily, I'd forgotten I had these here. I don't think the knife's got to be too much good for cutting up the meat, but hey, I've got my bigger knife which we'll use there. Okay, that's looking pretty good, guys. Tasting good. And look, the meat, geez, cooked not too bad. A little bit too much, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. So, but yeah, that's looking good. That's a good healthy meal. Got a bit of meat, bit of veg, mushrooms, onion, and it's looking pretty good. Cool. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay guys, that was a quick video we did on cooking up a bit of that venison that I skinned and butchered a little while ago. Yeah, unfortunately I had a bit of trouble with my camera. The stand that it was on broke, but we're doing the best we can. But anyway, thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hey, subscribe. It all helps out. So anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.